Yes, students. Now this is what? Page 6. What is this? Page 6. And again here we are going to discuss about indicators. Now, one of the natural indicator we discussed is litmus, which is commonly used in lab. There are some other natural indicators also. What are they? Red cabbage leaves. The extract of red cabbage leaves, that is also used as indicator to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Next, turmeric. What is turmeric? Haldi. This is also a natural indicator and it is used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. And in alkaline medium, it turns reddish brown. In alkaline medium, it turns reddish brown. This you might have observed. If the stain of curry remains in your white cloth and if you wash it with a soap, and soap is what? Basic. And when you apply soap on the stain of curry on the white cloth, as you apply soap to wash, it turns reddish brown. And soap is basic in nature. So what does this show? Turmeric, it turns reddish brown in alkaline medium. So it is also one of the natural indicator, but in lab we normally don't use. In lab, the natural indicator which is used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic, that is litmus. But these are some of the natural indicators. First what I said, red cabbage leaves. Second, turmeric. Turmeric, it turns reddish brown in alkaline medium. More examples are there of natural indicators. Those are colored petals of some flowers. Colored petals of some flowers like petunias, geranium, etc. These are also used as natural indicator. So this we discussed here about the acid-base indicators. Okay. Now next type of indicator is olfactory indicator. Indicator again, it means what? It is a chemical substance, chemical compound used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic by change in color. Till now we discussed acid-base indicator, which we discussed here, is chemical compound used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. How? By change in color. But in olfactory indicator, a slight change is there. This is also substance, or olfactory indicators are substance used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. How? By change in smell. Means in acidic medium, these indicators give one kind of smell, and in basic medium some other kind of smell. So what is olfactory indicators? These are substance used to test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. How? By change in smell, not color. By change in smell, that is olfactory indicators. Example is extract from onion. The juice which we take out from onion, extract from onion, it can be used as olfactory indicator. Means in acidic medium it will give one kind of smell, in basic medium it will give some other kind of smell. Next, extract of clove oil. What is clove? Long ka tel. That can also be used as olfactory indicators. And next is vanilla essence. That can also be used as olfactory indicators. Means in acidic medium it will give one kind of smell, and in basic medium some other kind of smell. This way we can test whether the given solution is acidic or basic. How? By change in smell. That indicator is called olfactory indicators. Okay. So students, today we discussed the fifth property of acid. What is that? Acids impart specific color to acid-base indicators. In that we studied in detail about natural and synthetic indicators. Okay.